Sinuspindi po ang paglilitis ng 1 minuto habang inaantabayan ng pagpasok ng isa pang witness para sa araw na ito mula sa depensa. Gio, kanina nakita natin ang pagtatapos nitong testimonya ni Carmina Cruz na bumalik lang mula kahapon. Patungkol naman dito, dala niya today yung punch list na tinatawag. Ito yung parang checklist ng dinadala at upang bago mag-inspeksyon itong homeowner, bago i-accept ang unit.
Samantalang pumapasok na po ang bagong witness at matutuloy na po ang trial.
With the permission of the Honorable Senate President.
Proceed.
Ms. Witness, you were asked yesterday to bring certain documents for today's hearing. Did you bring these documents?
Yes, sir.
Will you produce it, please?
Yes, sir, I will. This is the appointment of Notary Public.
May we request the witness to identify for the record the documents that she is showing to the prosecution?
Yes, sir. I was asked to bring with me the appointment of the Notary Public, Maynard P. Panella. I'm handing it over to the prosecution.
How about the other documents?
Daming documents. Yeah.
Your Honor,
Yes.
may we be given 2 or 5 minutes to inspect the documents before we proceed with our cross-examination?
How many minutes?
5 minutes, Your Honor.
All right. Trial suspended for 5 minutes.
Samantalang nakasuspindi po ngayon for 2 to 5 minutes ang hearing dahil nga po gustong inspektahin ni Private Prosecutor Demetrio Custodio ang mga dokumento na binibigay ng witness na mula po sa Quezon City RTC. No? Pinapakita nila dito yung mga dokumento ukol sa Notary Public, no? Si Attorney Panella daw. At ngayon tinitingnan ng prosekusyon ang mga dokumento.
Kasama pa rin natin ngayong hapon, Gio, si Attorney JJ Atienza para ibahagi sa atin ang kanyang kaalaman tungkol sa batas. Attorney JJ, welcome back.
Good afternoon.
Pakipaliwanag po uli sa amin kung anong purpose ng depensa para sa pagpresenta dito kay Attorney Ele, ang Clerk of Court ng Quezon City.
Itong si Attorney Ele ay prinesenta ng depensa upang patunayan na ang lahat ng mga dokumento ng bilihan ng lupa ng mga Corona ay notaryado at dumaan naman sa tamang proseso. Yun lang yung gusto nilang patunayan.
Bakit lumabas yung issue ng kung kailan na-appoint ang isang notaryo ng QC-RTC Executive Judge?
Kasi mahigpit ngayon yung ating notarial law. Dapat ang notaryo publiko ay duly commissioned ng executive judge ng isang lugar para mag-practice o magnotaryo lamang sa isang partikular na lugar. At dapat dito, in good standing ka at dapat monthly nagbibigay ka ng report. Yun yung dapat ginagawa ng mga notaryo publiko natin.
Ang ipinanotaryong mga dokumento, Attorney JJ, itong Declaration of Trust at itong Special Power of Attorney na ibinibigay ni Maria Charina sa kanyang mga magulang na si Chief Justice Corona at si Mrs. Cristina Corona. Pakipaliwanag po itong pagkahalagahan nitong mga dokumentong ito.
Okay, itong SPA at saka Deed of Trust na ito, ipinipresenta ng depensa upang patunayan na hindi talaga sa mag-asawang Corona yung property, bagkus doon nga daw sa anak nila. Dahil yung SPA, binigyan sila ng power para bumili ng property on her behalf, at yung Deed of Trust naman, or yung trust document na sinasabi nila, ay para daw patunayan na binibigyan na kalayaan nitong si Charina ang kanyang mga magulang na i-administer yung property sa mas broader o mas malawak na kapangyarihan.
Attorney JJ, kinwestiyon nga ng prosekusyon itong pagkakomisyon dito sa notary public na nagnotaryo dito sa mga dokumentong ito. Sakali pong mapatunayan na at that time ay hindi po siya valid na notary public, ibig po ba sabihin nito ay hindi na valid itong Declaration of Trust at yung SPA?
Hindi natin agad-agad pwedeng sabihin hindi valid itong Declaration of Trust na ito o yung SPA kasi nga ang importante ay ang kasunduan doon sa dalawang tao na nag-execute noong papeles. Ngayon, hindi rin naman natin pwedeng sabihin na porque hindi commission ng isang notaryo ay peke na ang dokumento. Ang kailangan mong patunayan kung peke ang dokumento ay kung pinilit ba ang isang party sa pagpirma nito o pinilit siya o ginaya lang yung pirma niya para magkaroon nito ng existence, ano? Ang kahalagahan lang kasi ng notaryo ng isang dokumento ay upang maisa publiko ito kung sakaling magkakaroon ng panibago na namang paglipat o saling lipat ng titulo. O kaya gusto mong i-broadcast sa buong mundo na ako na ang may-ari nito at mailagay ito ma-annotate sa mga titles, ano? Pero hindi ibig sabihin na pag hindi ka commission ngayon, ay peke na agad yung dokumento.
Napaka-importante pala no, yung semblance ng pagnonotaryo na kahit na ibig sabihin ba kung mali yung pagnotaryo ngayon ay invalid na yung dokumento or
Not necessarily kasi kailangan nilang patunayan na yung mga taong nag-execute ba ng dokumentong ito ay alam na peke yung notaryo. Ibig sabihin nun, meron silang gustong dayain. Pero kung ang mga taong nag-execute ng dokumento ay naniniwala in good faith na hindi na totoong notaryo itong kausap nila, may bisa at valid talaga itong dokumentong ito.
Attorney JJ, serbisyo publiko po, paano po ba namin malalaman kung peke o hindi ang isang notary public? Kasi ang dami pong nagkalat dyan.
Oo, totoo yan, ano. Una, yung mga nakikita natin sa mga ilalim ng LRT o sa kanto-kanto na kung sino-sino lang yung nagnonotaryo Una mong titignan yung pangalan ng abogado, nakatatak yun. Maaari mong i-check ito sa Office of the Bar Confidence or mismong doon sa lugar kung saan sila nakakomisyon. Kung let's say Pasay City, you can check it sa Office of the Executive Judge ng Pasay City. Doon mo makikita kung totoong na-commission itong taong ito or kung totoong abogado ba ito.
Okay, maraming salamat, Attorney. Balik po tayo sa Senate floor sa pagpapatuloy ng hearing.
We are still waiting for the prosecution, Your Honor.
Pagbalik ng prosecution, ayon nga sa defense, napasalita si Attorney Dennis Manalo at tila handa nang mag-resume ang trial after the inspection of documents given by the QC Clerk of Court.
Your Honor.
Trial resumed.
May we just ask from the prosecution if they have already returned the original folders to the witness? They are in possession of the folders.
May we put it on record that all the folders are returned to the witness?
Are you now ready to cross-examine?
Attorney Ele, are your files already complete?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we have gone through all of the documents that we've requested. We've inspected them, and we have no cross-examination questions. We will only mark the 2 documents that were presented yesterday, Your Honor.
So you saw the commission of Attorney Maynard Panela,
Yes, Your Honor.
as well as the monthly statements, reports, covering letters of all documents acknowledged by Attorney Panela,
Yes, Your Honor.
including the year 2007.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. What is your pleasure with respect to this witness?
We would like, Your Honor, that exhibits 215 and 216 that were identified and brought by the witness yesterday be adopted as prosecution evidence and that we will be marking them, Your Honor.
Mark them accordingly.
May we request that Exhibit 215 be marked as Exhibit 11E, Your Honor,
Mark it accordingly.
and Exhibit 216 be marked as Exhibit 11F, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
May we have submarkings, Your Honor, of 11E, insofar as the date is concerned, to be our 11E-1, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
And the page 2, the second page of Exhibit 11F, be marked as Exhibit 11G, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
And in 11G, Your Honor, we respectfully request a submarking of 11G-1 pertaining to the date, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly. Are you through with the witness?
Your Honor, by way of redirect examination, we just want to also mark in evidence.
But what is a redirect when there is no cross-examination?
There was a cross-examination yesterday. This is just a continuation, Your Honor, of the cross-examination. And during the cross-examination yesterday, the witness was required to bring with her the copy of the commission of the Notary Public, as well as the notarial register for the month included, Your Honor, where the declaration of trust and the special power of attorney were registered. And by way of redirect, Your Honor, we would just want to mark in evidence the documents
Just
that...
mark them. You have no redirect question.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're just adopting those documents as your exhibit. So go ahead, mark them.
We request, Your Honor, that the certification identified during cross-examination by the witness, certifying that Attorney Maynard P. Panela was commissioned a notary public for and in Quezon City for the term of April 6, 2006 up to December 31, 2007, be marked as our exhibit 224.
Mark it accordingly.
We also request the certificate of notarial commission issued by the executive judge of the Regional Trial Court of Quezon City in favor of Attorney Maynard P. Panela, dated April 7, 2006, be marked as our exhibit 225.
Mark it accordingly.
That will be all, Your Honor.
In effect, you have come into a stipulation of fact. It would have been simpler if you just made both of you manifested anyway. You're through with the witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
The witness is discharged.
Thank
Next
you, Your
witness.
Mr. President,
The majority floor leader.
thank you, Mr. President. The next witness is again a continuation of the examination yesterday. Attorney Eulalio C. Diaz III, Administrator of the Land Registration Authority. Both defense and the prosecution agreed yesterday that they will sort out the properties really owned by the Chief Justice. Then again, I hope we can call on the witness now, Mr. President, because Senator Miriam Defensor
Have the
has
two
questions.
panels agreed on the number of assets in the form of real properties owned by the respondent Chief Justice?
Good afternoon, Your Honor,
Yes.
the Honorable Presiding Officer, and the Honorable Members of the Impeachment Court. I have met, Your Honor, with opposing counsel this morning, and we have sorted out the list, the titles as contained in the list submitted by the LRA Administrator, Your Honor. And we came up with stipulation, Your Honor, as to certain titles that are either cancelled or titles not under the name of Renato C. Corona or names of Renato C. Corona and Cristina Corona, but are also not cancelled, Your Honor. And we're ready, Your Honor. I am ready to state for the record, Your Honor, these titles, Your Honor.
Did you enter into a stipulation of facts?
We have entered into a stipulation, Your Honor, as to the entries, Your Honor, in the titles listed in the LRA
Correct.
letter, Your Honor.
The court is just clarifying. You entered into a stipulation of fact regarding titles
That's correct, Your Honor.
in writing.
No, Your